everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely lamp. As you can see, it looks so beautiful and it's really easy to do. And at the same time, it looks so amazing. I love the lighting of this Blight. It's so amazing. I can control how it looks and I can add it everywhere. I can add it to the hallway to add this lovely kind of a holiday festive light, and in the same time I can apply it as a nightstand light beside my bed. So soft light makes me so comfortable and so calm. So if you want to see how to make it this lovely DIY really nice lamp, please keep watching. What I'm gonna need for this tutorial are a jar, mason jar, a really large mason jar. This is the largest glass jar that I have, so I'm gonna use this one in this tutorial. Bee lights, of course. I'm gonna use this lovely bee light. It's a 100 lamp, and in the same time it's 10 meters long. You can add like 5 meters would be nice, but this one is 10 meters. This one that what I have right here right now, so I'm gonna use this one in this DIY. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the bee light inside the mason jar. Take your time and add it. You can add it in one bulk, you can add it like what I do right here, and just add it from above really nicely to have this twisted look inside. And after I finish adding it, I'm gonna just close the jar, but not really too tight. As you can see, I'm looking for the finest kind of a wire that I have here, and then I close it, but I'm not really tightening it too much, because if I did that, the wire will be cut. So what I'm gonna do is just really make sure that the light will be secure inside, but in the same time, it's not too tight. And you can add this white piece. This is the controller to control the effect that you want to have in your lights. So you can leave it beside the jar, or you can use a little piece of blue stacks and just add it behind it. Now I'm trying for you. And this is the tutorial. It's pretty easy. Actually, it's the easiest tutorial I have ever made. Actually, but I love it so much. The light's so soft and so amazing. Makes me so calm, and I love this like bling lights, especially when everything is dark and sweet. I love it so much. So I really hope you like it too. And this is our video. I really hope you like it. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye!